Hello everyone! Good morning! Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So, I presented to you. So, kahit medyo pause pa ako, so, kakanta muna tayo kasi parang nabubulyo na yung utak ko kasama yung alaga ko. So, let's go! She's always on my mind. From the time I wake up until close my eyes, she's everywhere I go. She's all I know. Though she's so far away, and it keeps getting stronger every day. Even now she's gone, I'm still holding on. So tell me, where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. I don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe our hearts will find their way. Only heaven knows. And all I can do is hope and pray. 'Cause heaven knows